if I could be surviving here, standing with being cancer free for 6 years after being diagnosed of last stage cancer, I'm sure there is hope for the rest of other people. Do not lose hope. There is life beyond cancer. If one can just stand with the person who's sick and be in their pain and just say that I am here for you. Please tell me how I can help you.
नेपाल लिटरेचर फेस्टिभलको 7औं संस्करण यही शनिबारदेखि हुँदैछ र फेवातालको किनारेमा हुँदैछ। हामी एकदमै उत्साहित छौं। मौसम पनि एकदमै राम्रो छ। यसपालि साउथ एसियामा पछिल्लो समय आएर इन्टोलेरेन्स बढिरहेको छ, फन्डामेन्टलिज्म बढिरहेको छ र पब्लिक इन्टेलेक्चुअलहरूले सरकारको आलोचना गरे बापत सजाय भोग्नुपर्ने स्थिति आइरहेको छ र एउटा हाम्रो साउथ एसियाको पब्लिक स्फियर एकदम खुम्चिँदो छ। त्यसैले यसलाई महोत्सवलाई एउटा डेमोक्रेटिक मञ्चको रूपमा विस्तार गर्ने।
Prem Kala's gullible Matwali face and her small 5-foot frame had become the bane of her life. No one seemed to realize she was a 30-plus, B.Ed passed, full-time working mother of 2. Co-workers, job interviewers, bank tellers, receptionists, government office staff, shopkeepers, and even bus and tempo drivers talked down to her. They called her Timi and Bahini, whereas anyone with that thing hanging between their legs was Sir and Hajur.
I'm going to Pokhara to take part in the Nepal Literature Festival. I'll be running with the British Council a 3-day masterclass on graphic novelling your life. I produced the first pictorial documentation of 250 years of women's cartoons and comics in Britain. I'm in very early stages in researching to produce that idea on a global scale.
The reason I wrote this book was as a record, as a historical record. Second is my friend, my co-author Jim Ottaway, an American philanthropist, a friend of mine. He persuaded me to put everything in perspective. And third, if my grandchildren ask me, why? What did you do? Granddad, what did you do? And then I can just give them the book and say, read it. Nepal, despite all its problems, the success story, if you hear good news abroad in Nepal, it's about conservation. That is what keeps Nepal in the forefront. We also have to remember that we alone didn't create this success. We had a lot of international support, the goodwill, the pioneers who drafted the legislation. I do give credit to the royals who established a very strong foundation. So the foundation is strong. That's why we have zero tiger poaching in tiger. The rhinos are increasing and the creation of the national parks and wildlife.